Greetings from TaiyangNews. This is Michael Schmela, Managing Director, and I'm here with Rajinder Kumar, founder of Bergen, a pioneer when it comes to production equipment in the field of solar here in India. He has seen it all from the early start, and I'm very happy to have him here being active in our conference. Rajinder.
Yeah. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity by TaiyangNews. And I know you from the days of the photon. So I am following you up for the years when QCell's days were there. I am too grateful to you and to your magazine that such a conference, which is a need to be as a specialist conference, where the Indian skilled and unskilled people who are from solar, they could understand that what is the total supply chain. And I am deeply impressed that all the experts you could bring from abroad as well as some available from India. Please continue, and also a message to government that Polysilicon, they should invest a lot of money so that India is not suffering because of the availability of the wafers, as the poly is not available here. So internationally geopolitical situation can be set right with the vision of the government to help the industry. Thank you.
Thanks, Rajinder, for your trust and all your commitment.
Thank you.
Thank you.